In this video, we will show you how to create an Advent stocking calendar. Let's create the design of the stockings first. We will use a 14 cm by 14 cm hoop to make a mini stocking. Feel free to arrange the size, shape and design according to the hoop you have. Using the outline shape, we will digitize the shape of the stocking. Fine-tune the shape using the node editor if you like. Once you are done, select the created shape, go to Properties and set the styles of stitches to double. Let's start by adding the date number. Start Text tool and click where you want to place the date. Type the number of the date, choose a font, and adjust the size. Once the number of the date is added, align it to the stocking. And select a color. I'll use this golden color. Keep in mind that the first centimeter of the stockings will be folded inward later, so make sure you have enough room and don't place a design there. Now let's decorate the stocking with a few clipboard items. Start Insert Clipboard. Browse through the clipboard library and select the clipboard you want to use. Click Insert and the clipboard library closes so that you can have a better view of the design area and position the clipboard properly. Left click and drag to the position you want to place the clipboard and release the mouse to finalize the placement. We'll now change the color into this golden one and the stitch type to step. We will also remove the outline as it's not necessary. Duplicate this star object and mirror so that it's placed on the back of the stocking. We'll follow the same procedure to add any clipboard we want. This time I'll set the color to green. And I'll add 2 more clipboard items. For this clipboard we need to ungroup in order to change the colors. Let's add 1 more candy. Now we will change into manual mode so that we can adjust the sequence. Move the stocking to be the last one to be embroidered and rearrange the objects so that all those of one color are embroidered together. Now select all objects, right-click and use the name drop option. Enter the series of the numbers here. Now the design contains 3 stocking designs, one on top of the other. On the Sequence Manager, if you click on number 1, the first group is selected. This is the first stocking design. If you click on number 3, you will see the next stocking design. In Slow Redraw it looks like this. Each stocking design goes after the previous one. Practically, you send the design to the embroidery machine, and after each stocking is embroidered, you change the fabric and hoop a new one. In this way, you can make multiple designs just by changing the date number. Now, let's start embroidering those stockings. Collect all the materials you're gonna need: hoop, fabric, stabilizer, threads, and let's start. Hoop your stabilizer and fabric. Load the design on the embroidery machine. The name drop list is displayed on the sewing machine in an overlapping manner, just like the display on the software. The actual embroidery is done one by one. In color changes, you can see the 4 colors for the first stocking and for the next one. After finishing the first stocking, you need to set a new fabric on the hoop and press the start button to continue with the next stocking. So, set the bobbin and needle thread, attach the hoop to the machine and press start. When the embroidery is complete, tape or pin the string. Place a cloth for the back of the stocking right side down. Press start to stitch the outline of the stocking. Now, remove the stocking from the hoop. Tear off the stabilizer. And cut out the outside of the stitch with pinking scissors. Remove the tape that kept the string in place. Fold the mouth of the stocking about 1 centimeter and tack the folded edge with hem tape or cloth glue. Turn inside out and your first stocking is ready. Hoop a new cloth and repeat the same process for the number of name drops. Don't forget to fill those stockings with goodies.